his half-brother's mother, all of her siblings, and many powerful members of the court and their respective families. Also, tragically...
But then his next target is the external threat, which would be Portugal. So, I guess...
Just like that really, really boring guy in the office. But the novel also includes the possibility that all of the deaths around Harriet were actually a coincidence.
He's not hanging about, is he? Didn't fancy doing 30 miles an hour, and now he's stuck behind someone else a few car lengths up the street. He's stuck at the lights. Brilliant after all that. What a cool guy. Oh, as for me, I'm going to Asda. Got so far, mate. Can't turn right there. No, with the traffic light.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right. But Iceland, someone's got to get their frozen sausage rolls and scampi and chips. Yes, because I can actually use my common sense. If there's something coming towards me, I won't just randomly do the old blindly follow and inconvenience someone else and nearly cause an accident.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Off. He didn't want to wait for me, did he?
No.
Going for it.
Yeah, way too much going on at once. Like
Ian Beale has been slaughtered by a giant wolf.
yeah, just, Frank Butcher's come back from the dead.
Did you not see him run a red light? He went completely, like literally, the car in front probably ran a red light, and so he went through, well, I mean...
Once you get past that threshold, it's smooth sailing, baby.
6 years old, here we go!
Red car.
game on dashcam, but get off your phone. Can't park there, sir.
Over the line. Yeah, go again. On his phone, obviously.
And I think her customer service style. I think her customer service style was a little bit too over friendly. I'll be honest, I'm not sure she.
I thought that guy was waiting there for ages. No, he's actually parked there. That's parked on the junction. Beautiful. Let's go around you, shall I? Because you couldn't be asked to stick it in the parking space. I've just been sat here waiting and realised that 500, that isn't actually a space. Oh well, never mind. It's not like there's one, you know, 2 spaces. Oh wait, there is. Never mind. Never mind. You tried. You tried. Middle of the road. Use them! Use them!
That nearly fell out into me. Why is... What? Stuck on red. Okay.
.9 miles. Turn right to Hardwick Lane.
Burn me with the sun.
Oh, not a dummy. There you go. He is not happy. Oh, he's hard. I wonder who's getting a fancy trip.